Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to install the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're into movies, sports, or just catching up on your favorite shows, Spectrum TV offers a wide range of entertainment right on your TV screen. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Accessing the Smart Hub. First things first, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet. Then, using your TV remote, navigate to the Smart Hub. This is where you'll find all your apps and settings. Step 2. Searching for Spectrum TV app. Once you're in the Smart Hub, go to the app section. Here, you can search for the Spectrum TV app. You can either use the search function or browse through the list of available apps. Step 3. Downloading and installing the app. When you find the Spectrum TV app, select it to open the app page. Now, click on the download or install button. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. Step 4. Logging in to Spectrum TV. After the installation is complete, return to the Smart Hub and locate the Spectrum TV app icon. Open the app, and you'll be prompted to log in using your Spectrum account credentials. Step 5. Exploring Spectrum TV. Once you're logged in, you're all set. You can now explore the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV, browse through live TV channels, on-demand content, and even manage your DVR recordings directly from your TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. Installing the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV is quick and easy. Enjoy unlimited entertainment right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.